what's up, guys? Hola, amigos. Mr. Brown here, and this is a special one because today we are moving the cars from one place to a place closer to my place. What's happening is this one is going for painting very soon, and it's been a little bit complicated to move around. From where I live to this side is about 70 kilometers. So the idea is to move this guy close to the workshop. But if I move this one, that one is gonna be jealous. Come and see this one. This one is gonna be jealous. And uh, even though I don't love this one as much as I love this one, um, I still wanna drive this one. And I want to make something special out of it. So, because of the work that this one has, I prefer to prepare this one first. But I actually don't know exactly how is this gonna work, but I'm pretty sure that you guys gonna help me with your comments that you're gonna leave below. I know it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, I never inspected this car because when I went by the car, only wanted the engine. I was interested in the engine because I wanted to put a new engine on the red car. But that day when I opened the hood, I found a black spider. That was interesting. There is a lot of things there, like that tire that doesn't work anymore. I can't use it anymore. There is corrosion on the hood, of course. The car have been stationary for some time. There's a lot of some kind of that I don't know which one, which animal is that, a rat, squirrel, or whatever. And there is the prop shot there because this car doesn't have a gearbox. The rust in there is rust and corrosion because this car was partially covered, so the back was not covered. So reason why I tried my luck to check if there are any tools there. Yeah, there's some, at least that curved weird one, which I don't know what is it for, but it's there. And yeah, the rest is just assessing what needs to be done on the car, and that's it. So as you know, I only introduced one of them. So come and let me show you. So this is my third BMW E23. Is a same engine. Well, the one in Mozambique was a 733, but this one is a 728 as the one. So come and see. Well, would you look inside, please? Well, complete, but needs a lot of things. Needs a lot of things. So come here, cameraman, come here, cameraman. And this is what I'm talking about. The shark front. I love this. And man, it's just amazing to look at. It's a beautiful car. Everything is complete. The front bumper is complete. The lights, even though they are broken, but not a big job, not a big deal. I love them. Whoa, I never saw this before. I guess it's a job that the panel beater will be able to do. Anyway, so this is what we have. These are the cars, and with that, back to Mr. Brown in the studio. Except it was not back to Mr. Brown in the studio. Because you see, I tell him all the time, read the script, see what we have to do. So that day, we had to tow the cars back home. And that's what happened. And that's what we were doing. And I called him and I said, "You have to stay there because you have to tow the cars back." And he was so frustrated. But gladly, uh, we could get the cars back home, well, closer to home at least. And now the next stage begins. Thank you for watching. See you next time.